edukasyon. Candon City Division, tara na!
Hello, 5th graders! Welcome to DepEd Candon City Telescuela, kanlungan ng kaalaman tungo sa kahusayan at kaunlaran. I am Teacher Arlene, and I will be with you for today's session and start of the second quarter in Grade 5 Mathematics. Make sure you have with you your pen and notebook. Are you ready? Our lesson is on decimals, place value through 10,000ths. Are we all set? Then let's get started. Our topic for today is place value of decimal numbers through 10,000ths. Before we proceed with the main lesson for today, let's first have a short recap of the previous. Our task is to identify the place value of the underlined digits. Number 1, 2,435. What is the place value of 3? 3 is in the tens place value. 2. 815,654. What is the place value of 5? 5 is in the thousands place value. Number 3. 768,914. What is the place value of 7? 7 is in the hundred thousands place value. Number 4. 43,231. What is the place value of 2? 2 is in the hundreds place value. And number 5, 165,785. What is the place value of 6? 6 is in the 10,000s place value. I am very sure you got it all correct. That's a very good job. Now, we are ready to talk about place value of decimal numbers through 10,000ths. In today's session, you are expected to give the place value and the value of a digit of a given decimal number through 10,000ths. But the main question that we need to answer towards the end of this session is, how do we identify the place value and the value of a given digit in a decimal number? Altogether, let's discover the answer. Let's start with this picture. What do you see in the picture? You're right. Those wires are made of copper. Do you know the weight of the copper or how light or heavy it is? I don't even know it by merely looking at the picture, but we do have some information here about copper. Copper is a very good conductor of heat. It is the element that makes up electric wires. The atomic weight of copper is 63 and 5,412 10,000ths grams. So what is the weight of the copper? That is correct. The copper weighs 63 and 5,412 10,000ths grams. What kind of number is 63 and 5,412 10,000ths? It's a decimal number. What does each digit in the decimal number mean? To answer that question, let us use the place value chart. As you can see on screen, the numbers 6, 3, 5, 4, 1, and 2 are placed under the proper column in the place value chart. We use the chart to identify the place value of a digit of a given decimal number through 10,000ths. Now try to look at it closer. What separates 63 and 5,412? Clearly, we see a point there. We call it a decimal point. The decimal point dictates where the whole number part begins. Whether to the left or to the right of the decimal point, the place value of the digit to the left is 10 times of the right. Equivalently, the place value to the right is 1/10 of the left. To further understand the concept, let us study the following example. Examine the place value chart closely. At what column can we find 3? Good! It's under the ones column. So, the place value of 3 is ones. Where is 5 in the chart? Correct! It's in the tenths column. The place value of 5 is tenths. How about 4? Where is it in the chart? Good job! It's under hundredths. So again, the place value of 4 is hundredths. Where can we find 1? It is in the thousands column. So, its place value is thousands. And our last digit 2, where is it located in the chart? 2 is in the 10,000ths column and its place value is 10,000ths. Just remember that the place value determines or tells the position of a digit in the place value chart. On another hand, what about the value of the given decimal number? Let's look at the following example. Donna, a grade 5 pupil, walks 5,238 10,000ths kilometers a day to reach school. What is the place value of 5? What is its value? What is the place value of 2? What is its value? Reusing the place value chart, look closely. 5 is under the tenths column. The value is represented through the fraction 1/10. To get the value of 5 being the given digit, we multiply the numerator in 1/10, which is 1, and 5. That gives us a product of 5. We copy 5 and the decimal point in its original position. The value now becomes 0.5 or 5/10. The next digit is 2, which is under the hundredths column, having the value of 100. To get the value of 2, we copy the decimal point in its original position, change 5 into 0, then multiply 1 in 102. The 3 steps give us 0.02 or 2 hundredths. 3 is in the thousands column, having the value of 1,000. To get the value of 3, we copy the decimal point in its original position, change 5 and 2 into 0, 0, then multiply 1 in 1,003. The steps give us 0.0003 or 3,000ths. Our last digit is 8, which is in the 10,000ths column, having the value of 1/10,000. To get a value of 8, we copy the decimal point in its original position, change 5, 2, and 3 into 0, 0, 0, then multiply 1 in 1/10,000 and 8. The steps give us 0.0008 or 8/10,000ths. I hope you were able to follow how we can identify the place values and the values of digits in decimal numbers. But for more practice, let's try the following activities. Get ready. Let's identify the place value and the value of each underlined digit. Use the place value chart as your guide. You are given 5 seconds for each item. Item number 1. 5 and 4,722 10,000ths. The underlying digit is 4. What is its place value and value? Time's up. The place value of 4 is tenths, and its value is 4/10ths. Item number 2. 25 and 785,000. The underlying digit is 8. What is the place value and value of 8? Time's up. The place value of 8 is hundredths, and its value is 800ths. Item number 3. 467 10,000ths. The underlying digit is 7. What is its place value and value? Time's up. The place value of 7 is 10,000ths, and its value is 7/10,000ths. Item number 4. 52 and 9,341 10,000ths. The underlying digit is 1. What is its place value and value? Time's up. The place value of 1 is 10,000ths, and its value is 1/10,000. Did you get a straight 4? I know you did. Let's keep the ball rolling and have more practice. This time, let's try to identify the place value and value of the digit 8 in each of the following items. Ready? You are given 50 seconds to answer our 5-item activity. Let's start. Time's up. Let's check your answers. In 4 and 800ths, the place value of 8 is hundredths, and its value is 0.08 in figures and 800ths in words. In 1 and 3,218 10,000ths, the place value of 8 is 10,000ths, and its value is 0.0008 in figures and 8/10,000ths in words. In 12 and 134 thousandths, the place value of 8 is tenths, and its value is 0.8 in figures or 8 tenths in words. In 2 and 758 thousandths, the place value of 8 is thousandths, and its value is 0.008 in figures and 8 thousandths in words. And last but not the least, in 180 thousandths, the place value of 8 is hundredths, and its value is 0.08 in figures and 8 hundredths in words. Can we now answer our question earlier on how we can identify the place value and value of a digit in a decimal number? Consider these two important points. The place value of a digit in a decimal number depends on its place or position in the place value chart. The decimal point is the boundary between the whole number and the decimal part of the whole number. It is read as end. At this point, let's apply our concepts to real life as we deal with money. Estela earned 92 pesos and 75 centavos from the sale of her banana fritters. She gave this amount to her mother for daily expenses. What kind of a girl is Estela? Yes, Estela is a helpful girl. How much did she give to her mother? She gave 92 pesos and 75 centavos to her mother. Let's take 92 and 75 hundredths. What is the place value of 7? The place value of 7 is tenths. What is the place value of 5? The place value of 5 is hundredths. What is the value of 7? The value of 7 is 7 tenths. What is the value of 5? The value of 5 is 5 hundredths. Did you get it all correctly? To give you a chance to work on your own pace, try to do the following. But first, let's look at the given example of a correct answer for an item. Identify the place value and the value of the given number. This is the given. In 861 and 85 hundredths, 5 in the blank place means blank. This is the correct answer. 5 in the hundredths place means 5 hundredths. You are given 20 seconds to finish the activity, and your 20 seconds starts now. Time's up. Let's check your answers. Number 1. 2 in the hundredths place means 2 hundredths. Number 2. 6 in the tenths place means 6 tenths. Number 3. 9 in the 10,000ths place means 9 10,000ths. Number 4. 4 in the thousandths place means 4,000ths. And number 5. 5 in the hundredths place means 500ths. I am very sure that you have given your best shot today and that you did very great. For that, congratulations! That was a job well done. We have reached the end of the lesson. I hope you have learned a lot from today's session. And thank you very much for tuning in. Once again, this is Teacher Arlene. See you next time and have a great day. Bye!